Hello everyone, welcome back to an Empties video. I haven't done one of these in a long while. I'm just going to start off by saying that the Dollar Tree Empties is completely entirely different video. All those links will be in the description box below if you're interested in the Dollar Tree Empties and mini reviews. So all of this stuff here is going to be from like Walmart, Family Dollar, Dollar General, places like that. Everything excluding Dollar Tree. So let's get started. I always like to start with the wipes. And I literally have 7 packages of Parent Choice wipes. I love the Shea Butter wipes. They are great. I use these for everything. Carry them in my purse, bathroom, keep one in the living room. I have a 5-year-old. He's still messy. And so they're great for that as well. So I have 2 Shea Butters. I have 2 of the Fresh Scent, which are nice, but not my favorite. They're kind of thin. And then I have 3 Powder Fresh, and these are by far my favorite. If I can't find the Powder Fresh because I love the scent, I love the thickness of them, they're super saturated, I will go with Shea Butter. Now, Fresh Scent was like a last kind of resort thing. So I had 7 of those. Love Parent Choice wipes. Love the price. Just moving into bath stuff. This was a Suave's Kid 2-in-1 coconut like shampoo kind of deal. The sticker's gone, but this was okay. It was good. I continue to pick up Suave, so I weren't like, you know, upset with it. It got the job done. I have also in the line of like kid stuff a Odessa Kids Bubblegum Foam Bath Soap. 48 ounces. Found this at Family Dollar for only $1 as they were closing their doors here. So this was okay. It didn't suds very well. It didn't last very long in comparison to the Dollar Tree Bubble Bath. Just buy the Dollar Tree Bubble Bath because it is actually really great, the watermelon one, but would not ever purchase that one again. Okay, let's be clear. So I have a hand sanitizer from Health Smart, and this came from a local Dollar Mania little store, and it was cucumber melon. Just hand sanitizer, basic hand sanitizer. I liked it. I love that it had a scent. Now, this was sent to me as review purposes, and this is from Mix Easy Facial Cleanser, and this is 8.45 fluid ounces. This is kind of a pricey item. I will link their shop below, but honestly, this was a great facial cleanser. You can pick what goes into your facial cleanser, you pick your scent, all that stuff. This was amazing, actually. If I remember, I'll link the review in the description as well. And I have a 1 liter ounce of the Herbal Essence Deep Moisture Hello Hydration 2-in-1 shampoo conditioner. This is my favorite Herbal Essence conditioner. It's the pump bottle, and I bought the huge one because, like I said, it is my favorite Herbal Essence shampoo alongside of the rose one, like the one in just basic pink bottle. Now, this is so nostalgic for me because I started using this, I feel like, in high school, and I loved it ever since. It's really good. I love it. It definitely is really good hydration for your hair. It detangles really well, even though it's a 2-in-1. Highly recommend trying that Herbal Essence shampoo if you haven't already. It smells amazing as well. Some bath bombs here from the Dollar General. These were actually really awesome. Connor loved these so much. And they're icy bath bombs. You get lemonade, cherry, blue, raspberry. They smelled so good. And they did give a slight tint to the water. Nothing like major. But he loved them nonetheless. And I will definitely repurchase these for $1 any day if I can find them. Another bath item I have here is the Noxzema Spa Shave 4-blade razors. And I kept getting coupons for these, so I kept repurchasing them, but honestly, I kept repurchasing them, not because I had a coupon also, but these razors are so good. I never had any cuts or nicks with them. Very smooth, nice, close shave. Very nice razor. I mean, they're from Noxzema, so yeah, they're a bit pricier, and they are very great quality of a razor. Definitely recommend these, and they last a long time. They stay super sharp for a long time. 30 wipes for 97 cents at Walmart. These smell amazing. They perform great. Super saturated. You guys, if you've been living under a rock and don't know about these makeup wipes, you need to get your tail to Walmart and try them out. They're in the beauty section, like where the makeup is, down where the skincare is, and they're low on the shelf. So not eye level. They're really low on the bottom. Well, at least in my store. These are amazing. You need to try them, and they are so much better than some of the stuff you'll find at the Dollar Tree. Sorry, not sorry, but seriously. Well, alongside Bolero. Bolero hold up to these, but I really enjoyed the Equate Beauty Rose Water Cleansing Towelettes. These were great just to wake up in the morning, kind of give yourself a, you know, wash over on your face. Then throughout the day, if you weren't wearing any makeup, they did remove makeup very nicely. They didn't burn my eyes or anything like that. Nice rose scent. And for $3.50, you get 40 wipes. So seriously, not a bad deal. The scent alone is very nice, so I definitely recommend trying these out. They were very nice. If you like Equate wipes, those were really good actually. I do have some face masks. This is from Spa Logic, and this is the Himalayan Salt Charcoal Mask, Detoxifying Mask. Literally, this performed just like any other sheet mask. Same with this one, so I'm going to talk about them together. They're from the Dollar General. You get 2 for $1. Really, what's not to love? Also, here's a third one in there from Spa Stations, and this is the Golden Collagen. This is the Manuka Honey Tea Tree Oil. They all had kind of light scents. They were just basic sheet masks. Now, they did hydrate, and they did give you kind of radiant looking kind of skin. You did feel cleansed and maybe, you know, a little extra special after using them. I definitely don't hate them, and I would try them again. If I find them in a 2-pack again, I'll probably pick them up. But, you know, yeah, they're so-so, you know. Another face mask I have is from the Mickey collection, and this came around Christmas time. I got this on sale for like $1.27 for all 5 masks. These basically are basic face mask as well. Yes, they have a pretty print on them. They have a day of the week on them. That's what makes them special. Once again, they definitely felt like you'd done a sheet mask. It was kind of hydrating, you know, kind of made me a little radiant the next day when I looked at my skin when I got up. But overall, a basic face mask. I have a Bodycology one, and it's in Sweet Love, just a 3-ounce one. This was a very nice florally, soft kind of scent, very nice. The Bodycology ones I actually really love. They do linger on your skin. It's great for purses. And same with this. This is just a 3-ounce perfume from Bath & Body Works, and it's the Velvet Sugar. Right now, I am loving this scent. I went back and I purchased a big bottle of this along with the lotion, because this scent is very nice, and I think this scent is really good for all year round. This is a really sweet scent, but I think you could definitely, you know, use it year round if you want. Personal preference, but I personally love this scent. I have a nail polish remover. Big surprise, there's usually at least 1 or 2 of these from Onyx in my Empties videos. This stuff is the bomb. It's awesome. It removes glitter, it removes everything so nice and quickly without all that 10-minute soaking your nails because you're wearing glitter polish and all that. This works amazing. You need to try it. If you love a lot of stuff on the nails and stuff, yes, definitely try this. Before we get into the makeup items, I'm going to do waxes. How perfect. I have 2 from Mainstays, 2 Sensationals, and 2 Better Homes and Gardens. So we're going to do Mainstays first. Wild Honeysuckle. If you love any kind of floral kind of scents, this is definitely for you. It's perfect for spring and summer. It smells so good. It is a strong scent now. It's great. So next we have for Mainstays the Sweet Apple. This is basic apple scent. It is kind of sweet. It's not as strong as like the floral scent, but you can smell it. I have the Nutty Butter Cookie Bar. This is like a bakery kind of scent. It's a candy scent. A nice peanut buttery nutty scent, and that's what you're gonna smell right off the bat. And yeah, this one was nice. If I find this one again, I'm definitely gonna be picking that one up. Same with this one. Magnolia Simple Beauty is absolutely correct. If you're a fan of floral scents, definitely high-pitched kind of scents, this is for you. This smelled every room up. It smells so good. Yes, just pure flower right there. Better Homes and Gardens, these are the same scent here, but one of my favorite scents, and I always buy like 4 of them when I find them, or a period of time I just keep stocking them up. Warm Spring Sunshine, and this is a limited edition scent, but they brought it back for 2 years in a row. Every time I found it, like I said, I just stock it up. It's so nice. It's floral, it's kind of sweet in a way. It's almost like a floral mixed with like, you know, a cashmere or something like that. I'm horrible at describing scents, but literally that's what I feel, and it from this scent is like florally sweet, maybe kind of undertones of like a vanilla. Amazing scent. If you haven't tried this, you need to. Hopefully you can find it still. Even though it's limited edition, some of these waxes get thrown to the wayside and you can still find them at Walmart on the shelves. And real quick, like, we're going to go through the beauty stuff. So I have the Olay. Now this is a sample, but I still wanted to talk about it because it's the Micro Sculpting Cream. This is my favorite nighttime and morning moisturizer now. It's a bit heavy, takes a minute to absorb, but honestly, if you are needing a good like eye cream or just face and neck cream because you're getting older, I can't even say that, but I'm 32 now, so you know, we like to use face creams and stuff now, so this is great. I'm loving this. You see results fast with this, honestly. It's not like a miracle worker, it's not an eraser of wrinkles, but they will improve over time with using this consistently. And I got a bunch of samples from the preacher's wife at church, and this is amazing. Yes, and it's probably a bit pricey in the store, but honestly I'd pay whatever it is because this is a really good moisturizer. So these LA Colors lashes, they're Lush lashes from the Eye Vault collection, and they were good. They've done their time, and yeah, they're just on their way out. I mean, LA Colors lashes aren't that bad. They're not even look that plasticky and stuff, and I'm impressed with most of the lashes I've used from them. It's just a nail glue. I was using this to patch my nails, and I used it. Just a good nail glue though. It did work good. It did dry quickly. It was nice. Now, moving on to other beauty items, I have the Maybelline Prime Master Face Studio Primer. This is the Blur and Illuminate. You see the marks. This was in a Project Pan, you know, a while ago. And I had like 1 or 2 uses left in it, and I finally used it up. I just love this so very much. I'm going to have to go repurchase it. Very nice pearlescent dewy kind of finish. I love it for under the foundation for dewy looks and stuff. If you want to be extra, be very illuminated that day, this is definitely the product for you. I just love it so much. So some setting sprays, LA Colors setting spray. This came from the Family Dollar. Now they have a new one out and a small travel size at the DollarTree, but the new one at the Dollar General for like $4. This was like $3 for 1 ounce. I love this setting spray. It did make my makeup last all day, and it worked great. So I will definitely repurchase LA Colors setting spray in the future. Hard Candy Glow setting spray. If you watch my videos now, makeup videos, you know this is amazing. I love this. If you really like that glitz and glamour highlights, you know, dewy, illuminated kind of face, this is for you. If you're not afraid to be extra and like this kind of thing, definitely it's for you. Shake it up really well though. Shake it up really well or it will squirt like glitter on your face. You gotta make sure it's shook up really well. So this is from Milani, and this is like a lip oil, and it looks full here. When you take the wand out, I've used a good portion of this. It's like down to the bottom. I love this lip oil, but honestly this has started to have a different smell. It doesn't perform as good. This is Ode, and that has to go. But other than that, if you can find these lip oils still, really good product. Definitely recommend. A couple eyeliners here. And this is the Physicians Formula 2-in-1 Eye Boosting Eyeliner Pen or whatever it's called. Anyways, this thing's amazing. It's about $10 or so. I had this for a really long time, so it stays saturated forever, seems like. And it performs great. I love this for wings, and I'm going to have to buy a new one because this one's out, and, you know, yeah. It's really great. Thick, thin lines, all that good stuff. The Milani Stay Put Eyeliner. Yeah, I know, right? I love this eyeliner. It's gone. It's gone. This is like, I don't know, $6 or something. It's super hyper pigmented. Stays in place all day. Doesn't run or anything like that. It stays in the waterline. Super, super black and creamy, you guys. If you've not tried the Milani Stay Put eyeliner, you need to. This eyeliner is amazing, and it's literally just a black pencil like this with gold hardware. And yes, this stuff's amazing. I repurchased this, probably, I don't know, my 4th one, and I have a 5th one unopened in my drawer right now. This stuff's amazing. It's the only eyeliner I use in my videos, but right now I'm using Jordana eyeliner just because that one ran out and I'm already started on that one, so we'll wait to open the Milani one unless something goes on with the Jordana one that I don't like. So yes, that's my empties. I hope you guys enjoyed it, found the mini reviews helpful. Definitely found some products you might want to check out for yourself now. Check the description box for additional links always. And don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you guys haven't already.